everyone. Beautiful day. Not windy at all. I don't like this one.
I'm really my guy.
Bro, we can just sail with a hat.
We'll take our jumpers off.
Oh my lord.
Yeah, we'll be fine once we get there. Don't worry about how we get there.
You should.
Not heavy, feel heavy.
That's right, keep going. You know that's probably size as well. Do you need the net? This is silver lining. Oh, it's nice. It's beautiful, mate. Could that be a snapper? Should we measure it?
Did I hear that
do you want
correctly?
it? I think so, bro.
Did I hear that correctly?
I think so. Look at it. Look at it.
Oh my god. That means keep at it. Ooh. Ooh. She wants to run.
Nah, it's not going to be a snapper, but it'll be size. Whoa.
Beautiful fish.
Oh.
Rough. Awesome.
Whoa.
It's another day, you know?
Nah. Whoa.
Easy.
Oh, look at that beautiful colour.
Oh my god.
Beautiful colour. Oh, this is nice. Are you on as well now? Everyone. She's little. Doesn't look little. Oh, that's a nice one. Size. Very size. Very size. Should be about 31-ish.
You're a tripper, man. Oh no, I'm about to reach this one. No.
Snapper? 33 at best. I'm gonna say 40 at best. Is it? Let's have a look. Which line is that on? Yeah, bro, I'm using one. Snapper maybe? Nah. It is?
Oh, it's a little one.
Nah.
Oh, come on, no, thank you.
You wanna come to the other side? Yeah, do you wanna go? I'll lift it up for you. Whoa. Is this a salmon?
Oh, this one may need to measure.
No, bro, that's about 30 centimeters right there.
You reckon?
Yes. Yeah, I'll show you.
Oh, you haven't caught a fish for a while.
Yeah, I'll show you.
You want to not hurt yourself? Where does it hurt?
Yeah. 30 centimeters.
No way.
Yeah, come on.
Oh my god. I don't know where I get it from.
Is there a nice one? Has to be more than like 31 for us to keep it. And if we keep one more, let's go somewhere else and actually chase the big snappers. Hey, that could be size. Sorry, that could be a snapper, right?
It feels like it, but the rod's too light, and I don't want to force it.
Oh yeah, that's a beautiful one.
Like we can keep it.
Oh, Ramon, that's so nice, mate.
Mate.
Oh!
Can you believe that, man?
Can we just get that on camera? So he ordered it in the boat and the hook just came out of it. Because it's his setup. It's that shit setup that he's got.
Sorry, Mina, feel free to help when you're ready.
He's talking now, but when I caught the first 15,
Yeah, I was saying, well,
is that another snapper?
34.
No, Jay, that's 35, 36. But that one looked a bit bigger, the one that we
yeah,
just
100%.
lost.
That was a snapper. That one was just under.
So,
Maybe. You think we're going to need the net considering the noise it made?
no,
What makes you say that?
no, but this could be a
Like, can you see that rod you're using
Could be
there?
a snapper.
Okay, well, hopefully no attenuation. We saw some colour. Okay. I see you. That's a good
Snapper.
fish, my boy. Well
Not a
done.
snapper, it'll be like 38.
Yeah.
Let's measure it.
Well, we caught the first couple of snappers of the season.
He said we.
I gotta give you credit where credit is due.
Not a snapper, 38 centimeters, but beautiful fish.
Nice one. Nina will start catching now.
The GoPro's on, I'm gonna catch now.
Tell me.
Beautiful weather. Awesome. Is it hailing?